Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Welcome to the intriguing world of faceless YouTube creators, a growing trend that's appealing to many for its unique twist on content creation. This concept allows people to create, inspire, and earn, all without revealing their identity. The faceless YouTube trend is about the message, not the messenger. It's about the content, not the creator. It's a realm where your creativity can shine without the constraints of being in front of the camera. The aim of this video is to demystify this trend and break down the process of making money on YouTube as a faceless creator into clear, easy-to-follow steps. We'll delve into why this trend is growing, how to choose your niche, creating high-quality content, monetizing your channel, and the importance of patience and persistence. So, are you ready to explore this exciting avenue? Stay tuned to discover the secrets of successful faceless YouTubers. So why choose to be a faceless YouTuber? Well, let's delve into the compelling reasons. First and foremost, privacy. In an era where every keystroke can be traced, going faceless provides a comforting layer of anonymity. You can create and connect without revealing your identity to the world. Another compelling reason is the potential for lower production costs. No need for expensive lighting setups, makeup, or even worrying about bad hair days. Your content can shine without the distractions of on-screen aesthetics. Furthermore, being faceless allows you to focus on what truly matters, the content. It's about the value you bring to your viewers through your words, ideas, and creativity, rather than your personal brand or image. In essence, being a faceless YouTuber can liberate you from the constraints of personal branding, enabling you to focus on creating meaningful, engaging content. As you can see, going faceless has its perks, but how can you actually make money? The first step to making money as a faceless YouTuber is to choose your niche carefully. So why is having a niche so crucial? Well, having a niche is like having a compass. It guides your channel, giving it direction and focus. It helps you create content that resonates with a specific audience, which in turn increases your chances of gaining a loyal following and consequently monetizing your channel. Now, let's delve into the vast ocean of YouTube niches. The beauty of being a faceless YouTuber is that you're not bound by the constraints of your personal image or brand. Your content is the star, and it can be anything you want it to be. For instance, animation is a popular niche for faceless YouTubers. Ever heard of channels like Kurzgesagt or Theod1Sout? They've gained millions of subscribers by creating engaging and informative animated videos. But animation isn't the only profitable niche. There's a whole universe of possibilities out there. If you're into video games, you can start a gaming channel. With the right commentary and editing, you can create an immersive gaming experience for your viewers without ever showing your face. Or perhaps you have a knack for explaining complex concepts in simple terms. In that case, you might want to consider an educational channel. Channels like Vsauce and Veritasium have set the bar high, but don't let that intimidate you. The thirst for knowledge is unquenchable, and there's always a demand for fresh, innovative educational content. The key is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and skills, something that sparks joy within you. Because remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're passionate about your niche, you'll be more likely to stick with it, even when the going gets tough. So go ahead, dive into the ocean, explore the universe, find your niche. And remember, your niche doesn't define you, it merely guides you. You're free to evolve, to explore new territories, to redefine your niche as you grow. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is the core of any successful YouTube channel. It's the glue that holds everything together, the magnet that draws viewers in, and the spark that ignites the flame of engagement. But what does high quality really mean? It's not just about crystal clear images or high-definition videos. It's about the value that you bring to your audience. It's about delivering content that is informative, entertaining, and engaging. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience, content that they can connect with, and content that keeps them coming back for more. So, how do you create this kind of high-quality content without showing your face? The key lies in the power of your voice and the magic of visuals. Your voice is your most potent tool. It's the vehicle that carries your message to your audience. It needs to be clear, confident, and captivating. Practice your delivery, hone your storytelling skills, and learn to use your voice to create a connection with your audience. As for the visuals, you can leverage a variety of tools and techniques. Screen recordings, for instance, are a great way to share tutorials, walkthroughs, or reviews. They allow you to share your screen with your audience, guiding them step by step through a process, a product, or a program. Animations, on the other hand, are perfect for explaining complex concepts or ideas in a simple, engaging, and visually appealing way. They can bring your content to life, making it more engaging and more memorable. Voiceovers, too, can be an effective way to create high-quality content. You can narrate a story, explain a concept, or share insights while visuals or animations play in the background. But remember, consistency is just as important as quality. Regularly delivering high-quality content not only helps to build and maintain an audience, but also increases your chances of getting noticed by YouTube's algorithm. So focus on quality, consistency, and engagement. Use your voice, your visuals, and your creativity to create content that stands out, content that resonates with your audience, and content that leaves them wanting more. Now that you have your content, how do you monetize it? Monetizing your channel can be easier than you think. You've chosen your niche, created some fantastic content, and now it's time to turn those views into revenue. Let's break down 4 different ways to monetize your YouTube channel: ad revenue, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and Patreon support. Firstly, ad revenue. It's the most straightforward method of monetization on YouTube. Once your channel has reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you'll generate. It's as simple as that. Next, sponsored content. This is where a brand pays you to feature their product or service in your video. It's an effective way to earn money, especially if your channel is in a niche that aligns well with certain brands. However, it's crucial to maintain your authenticity and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Moving on to merchandise sales. If you've built a strong brand and loyal following, selling merchandise can be a great way to monetize your channel. You could sell anything from t-shirts and hoodies to posters and mugs. The key is to create merchandise that your audience will love and want to buy. Finally, there's Patreon. This is a platform where creators can receive recurring payments from their fans or patrons. This can be a reliable source of income, especially if you offer exclusive content or rewards to your patrons. It's a fantastic way to build a closer relationship with your audience while also monetizing your channel. Now you're ready to start earning, but remember, growth takes time. It may take a while before you start seeing significant revenue, but with patience, persistence, and high-quality content, you can turn your faceless YouTube channel into a profitable venture. So go ahead, take the leap, and start your journey towards YouTube success. Patience and persistence are key in the YouTube world. Now, I'm sure you've heard this said time and time again, but it can't be stressed enough. In this realm, where millions of videos are uploaded every day, standing out can seem like an impossible task. But it's not. It's simply a marathon, not a sprint. So, let's talk about patience. You've chosen your niche, you're producing high-quality content, and you've begun to monetize your channel. But the big numbers, the millions of views and subscribers, they aren't coming as fast as you'd like. You might feel like you're shouting into the void. It's disheartening, we know, but don't let that discourage you. Success rarely comes overnight, especially in the YouTube world. It's a slow process, but every step you take is a step forward. And that brings us to persistence. The key to breaking through the noise is consistency. Consistency in your upload schedule, consistency in the quality of your content, and consistency in your message. Your audience needs to know they can rely on you. You're building a brand, and that takes time. Set a realistic schedule and stick to it, regardless of how many views your last video got. Remember, it's not just about creating content, it's about creating a community. Now, staying motivated during this journey can be challenging. So here's a tip. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Every new subscriber, every new comment, every new like, they all matter. They're all signs that you're moving in the right direction. So take a moment to appreciate them, to appreciate your growth, because every little success is still a success. And finally, don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Every YouTuber who has made it big, every faceless creator who now has millions of followers, they all started where you are now. They all face the same struggles, the same doubts, the same journey, so keep going, keep creating, keep believing in your vision. Remember, every successful YouTuber started where you are now. Let's recap what we've learned. Harnessing the power of anonymity, we've explored the faceless YouTube trend, a modern phenomenon allowing creators to retain their privacy while still connecting with their audience. We've underscored the importance of finding your niche, a unique corner of the internet where your content can stand out and resonate. Then we dived into the heart of any successful channel, the creation of high-quality content. We've highlighted the importance of engaging, well-crafted videos that hook your audience and keep them coming back for more. Next, we ventured into the world of monetizing your channel, exploring various strategies such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Lastly, we emphasized the crucial role of patience and persistence. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it's within your reach. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful faceless YouTuber. Remember, the key is to start. Good luck.